Should we hold him or not? Paano naman kung right to travel pa rin tayo ha? May hold departure order, may watch list order. So mayroong member ng Congress, for example, na nadawit siya ng isang witness sa flood control. Tapos papunta na siya ng Dubai. Ano gagawin niyo? Should we hold him or not? Anong basis niyo i-hold? May kaso na ba siya? Kahit may kaso, kailangan hanapan niyo pa rin lang hold departure order. Okay? Ang mag-i-issue niyan is ang RTC, ang Sandigan Bayan. So that prevents travel. Okay? So, pakalanlan, hold departure order. On the other hand, ano naman attorney yung watch list order? Ano gagawin ng watch list? Any watch. This is issued by the DOJ. It does not automatically prevent travel unless specific conditions are met. It does not necessarily prevent travel. Pero pag HDO, kailangan hold talaga. Wala talagang travel. Kahit magmakaawa pa siya, umiyak pa siya doon.